So, based on my 20 years of research, some yoga communities have endorsed this overlifted chest posture in a few ways, whether knowingly or unknowingly. Number one, by consistently overemphasizing and over highlighting the poses that include this action, and often not putting them in context by consciously returning to a neutral stance afterwards. Number two, by de-emphasizing, undervaluing, and largely excluding poses that round the back and drop the chest and open the back body. If one is done, it's often brief and treated as an obligatory, relatively unimportant counterpose. Number three, a lack of clarity about the fact that while lifting the chest is central for some yoga asanas, it is not the shape that we should aim to live in. And number four, insisting that the lifted chest has a kind of moral value, that this posture makes someone a better person somehow, or more spiritually successful, which I assure you it doesn't.